The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Pinos to Point Piedras Blancas, California, out to 10 nautical miles. Waters from Point Pinos to Point Piedras Blancas 10 to 60 nautical miles until 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 7:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 26 nautical miles southwest of Point Sur, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Point Sur. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.